What's good, YouTube? So in today's video we're going to be talking about some breaking news that we're getting as it relates to the Diddy trial, as prosecutors dropped several charges against the entertainer, right guys? So I'm not sure if this is good for him, or are they going to try to pin some other thing on the entertainer? I don't know, but they actually dropped several charges, which obviously is good for Diddy. So I'm just here to give you all the full details as it relates to this whole situation, and y'all can let me know if y'all think that Diddy will get off after these charges were dropped by the prosecution team. Anyways, before I go any further in the topic, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and click the notification bell, put it on all, that way you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, so let's get into this story so y'all can understand exactly what's going on. So the story is saying, Diddy case, prosecutors no longer planning to proceed on attempted napping and arson theories. Prosecutors in Diddy federal case said this week they are no longer planning to proceed on theories of liability including attempted napping and arson. As seen in a filing dated June the 24th, the government told Judge Aaron Subramanian that it had removed instructions for jurors from the charge related to attempted napping under California and New York law, attempted arson under California law, and aiding and abetting sex trafficking. Prosecutors say they are no longer going to argue attempted napping, attempted arson, and aiding and abetting and as liability for Sean Diddy Combs' racketeering conspiracy charge. The government is no longer planning to proceed on these theories of liability, so instructions are no longer necessary, the 8-page filing reads. Furthermore, prosecutors say they've made efforts to simplify the language as it pertains to racketeering and racketeering conspiracy. In short, and key takeaway from Tuesday's letter, the prosecutors is that jurors are tasked with deciding two crucial items when it comes to the RICO charge, namely whether a criminal enterprise existed in the first place and whether said enterprise committed at least two crimes. Prosecutors say they will no longer be pursuing the aforementioned theories as potential crimes under jury consideration. In its own letter, also filed Tuesday, the defense team said it strenuously objects to prosecutors' proposed addition to the case trafficking instructors for jurors. According to Diddy's lawyer, these proposed changes are unbalanced and legally unsupported. The defense also called into question the forced labor argument, suggested tweaks to the language surrounding alleged drug possession, and more. In court on Tuesday, Alexandra Shapiro, an attorney for Diddy, argued that prosecutors had failed to prove the element of the racketeering conspiracy as charged in the case. Per Shapiro, there are at least 3 elements to this alleged offense the government has failed to adequately prove, including whether Diddy ever knowingly and willfully entered into an agreement to violate RICO. Shapiro went on to speak at length about the specific issue Diddy's legal team has with the racketeering allegation, citing insufficient proof and the lack of a co-conspirator. Alright guys, so what do y'all think about this case? Do y'all think Diddy is going to beat this case? Because I mean, as far as I see, to be honest, I don't really see he did anything, you know. It's not like, all right, if I've heard that he, you know, held a gun to someone's heads and, you know, forced them into doing something, then that's different. But most of the things that I'm hearing, it kind of seemed like a lot of these persons wanted to be a part of it or whatever it may be, you know. I don't know, man, but let's just watch and see. But y'all can let me know if y'all think that Diddy will go down, as in, you know, get a long sentence, or do you think that he'll get off this case? Y'all can let me know in the comment section. All right, and thank y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.